walking into the Contemporary, checking in. Our room is already ready. We got upgraded to the tower room. I am so excited. We got to set up our magical bands, our magic bands, so we each can be linked to a separate card, which you can do when you have multiple people in a room. Let's check out this lobby. It's gorgeous. Alright, we're heading up in the elevator. I'm gonna see if I can catch it because it's absolutely adorable. As long as nobody else pops on. Oh my god, how cute is that? Mickey is in our hotel. We're at the Contemporary, and like I said, we got upgraded to the tower. We had originally booked a garden suite, which was totally cool with us, and we were gonna save some money. But now we're on the 9th floor. Oh my god, check this out. Look at Chef Mickey. Oh my god. I'm in love. I am in love. It's kind of loud out in the hallway, so let's see how it is in our room. Is that our room? I forget our number. Oh, that's our room. It went green, so that's gonna be it.
No, it didn't work.
Ooh. We got lake view room. This is gorgeous. I gotta put my luggage down. Here, I'm gonna like, oh my god. Look at the gorgeous pool and the lake view. Oh, so relaxing. Those buildings over there are the garden wing, which is where we were gonna be originally. And they are usually less money than the ones over here in the tower. And it is so quiet in this room. There's Bay Lake Tower. A little desk. I like the artwork. But you don't see, this room is like big too. And step back, I like the little hallway. Looks like 2 closets. And the door, let's see, what does this light switch do? Hallway. Where's the bathroom light? Oh, bathroom light. Bathroom is really pretty. Wow, the bathroom is huge, and like a separate room for the, that's sweet, so people can get changed and stuff. Oh, and a little hamper. Like I was gonna do laundry on. And they already give you some French roast, decaf, tea, a little creamer. Sweet. You can hear it a little more, you can hear the noise, you can hear Chef Mickey's a little more by the door. So that's okay. Nice. See, Mickey Travels, we're taking pictures. So the room is gorgeous. I will show you more of the resort. Ooh, I like looking at the boat come in. Here, I bet you guys do too. Open the door. Oh, it's a little high up here. It's a little scary. But oh, Bay Lake Tower. The pool, that is such a nice pool. Look how big it is. Love it. And they've got, you can check out the little splash pad. We'll go check it out a little closer too. Awesome, alright. So there's the room tour, getting up to the room. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright. For Chef Mickey. The Outer Rim, which is this cool little bar area that you can have a nice little lake view. So nice. And then I love the artwork. Contempo Cafe, which is right next to Chef Mickey over there, is the quick service restaurant here. So if you get a meal plan, you get those resort refillable mugs, then you can go there to refill your mugs. And then on the 4th floor is also where you grab the monorail. There are super fun gift shops. I love this one over here. This is like your regular old gift shop, and then over there they've got another one that's a little higher end, and then in the back, we'll keep walking towards the back, I'll show you, they have the gift shop with like the groceries in it. So if you are staying over at Bay Lake Tower, or you have one of those rooms that has a microwave and a stove and an oven and all that fun stuff, you can grab some microwavable food down here at the end of this hallway, which is so nice because if you don't want to wake up, grab some breakfast or some dinner so you're not eating out every meal. Kind of hard to see because it's backlit, but this is called Market. You may not know about it, it's tucked in the corner. You can see wine, snacks. These snacks are like some of my favorite snack credit things. I tell people all the time. See, it's like $5.49. That little purple thing tells you that it is a snack credit. See, groceries. Frozen pizzas, deliciousness. Ooh, cookies. I love chocolate chip cookies. Some DVC merch back there. See, we're gonna walk out. We're gonna meet Nicole, hit the monorail up. I do like that DVC shirt. That's super cute. I like the V-necks. This spot back here is a little bit quieter. Chill out, read a book while you're waiting for the fam. Alright, we're gonna walk back to the monorail and head to Epcot, so I'll see you there. Good morning, everyone. I wanted to add the pool area footage to my contemporary room tour video. It is a beautiful, warm, sunny day. I'm leaving today, but I'm gonna add this onto my first day so you can see I'm a little more tired than the first day, but still, I had a great time. I hung out at this pool a couple times. I really liked it. For being such a busy resort with the monorail, Chef Mickey, and everyone coming to check out the iconic contemporary, the pool area is a pretty nice, peaceful spot to hang out. They have, we'll come down here, they have this children's splash pad area, which I thought was super cute. They do have this water slide. That sun is hitting at the right spot, nice and early this morning. Little splash pad. We'll walk over here. Pool opens at 9, so I guess we can't actually walk through, but I can show you. There's not much more to see than this. They had a ton of chairs. I never had a problem with finding a spot to sit. Lifeguards checking it all out. They put towels out on the chairs early in the morning. This bin right here, that's where you put your towels when you're done with them. The kids loved the water slide. Oh, there goes the monorail. Did I catch it? I think I missed it. So let's walk out back towards the marina. And over here, what I like about this is like quote unquote what they call a quiet pool. Probably because there's no water slides, so it doesn't attract as many little ones. But how fun would this be to hang out here on the lake? You can rent those cabanas. Oh, so beautiful. Watch everyone in the boats go by, rushing off to the Magic Kingdom. Absolutely lovely. Well, let's get a good lighting. I don't know if that's gonna happen right now. Thank you so much for joining me on my tour of the Contemporary. I really did like staying here. I think it's a great spot to stay if you have little ones and you're gonna be at the Magic Kingdom a lot, because you can be walking back and forth and the security checkpoint is really easy. They have some good quick service options. The pool is a lot of fun and the pool is peaceful, so if you need a break, it's a great spot to chill and hang out. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for my more adventures on my Mickey Travels trip.